seeing the level of expertise in technical competencies, existing knowledge of 2 Asia Service Center India resources on supporting wealth guaranteed and payout applications, there was a realization. We started with the plan to move wealth guaranteed and payout to our own people at ASCI.
Once the hiring and onboarding of new resources was complete, we had 8 weeks to complete the transition. Transition and all targeted milestones were completed even before time.
These applications are now under the scope of a continuous improvement forum.
With an overwhelming response that we received from our business partners and eventually the customers, this has taken us up to the next level.
Asia Service Center India Applications, Operations and Services team primarily focuses on keeping the lights on by providing 24/7 production support. Oasis application data build, which was running during the night time, which was sourcing data from many different source systems, was taking a huge amount of time.
With our capability as database administrators, we grabbed this opportunity and looked at the entire data load process. We analyzed each and every step of the data load process. We tried alternative solutions to enhance the process.
ASCI Health and Dental team started production in December 2010. We are 120 people strong team and are very important in Canada group operations. We operate out of 2 sites as a BCP corporate strategy. With the support of the Quality and Business Excellence team, H&D has established a strong culture of continuous improvement. The business partners have always appreciated our performance, and which is the reason why we have got 100% Voice of Business Partner scores in year 2012.
GRS is one of the oldest processes at Asia Service Center India. We manage 3 main GRS functions, which is enrollments, withdrawals, and contributions. The team has seen a multifold increase in the complexity and the volumes of the process. With a consistent focus on 3 change priorities, team successfully closed a Lean Six Sigma Yellow Belt project to help the process meet stringent quality targets, ensuring consistent delivery and better customer experience. The team is currently working on a re-engineering project, which aims to merge 2 sub-processes and eliminate non-value adds.
As a service provider, ASCP aims to improve our quality of services and increase our customer satisfaction. To achieve this, we establish an engagement model with our business partners. This will serve as a guiding model on how we operate and deliver our services to our business partners in Hong Kong. We also streamlined our delivery processes to improve tracking and predictability and utilize the right tools. We have gone through an extensive knowledge transition exercise and now fully capable of providing enhancements and IT support services for applications in the life, channel, and group businesses of Hong Kong.
This transition project serves as a barometer or guide for any future transition project that ASCP may have. Since this was a handover project that needed to be transitioned in such a short time, not everything was covered in the KT. So the team took the challenge and needed to be resourceful just to be able to get the information needed and deliver on time.
Always be proactive and anticipate what the client needs. With so much to learn in so little time, the most important key is to always stay cool.
A life brighter under the sun!